Potoo bird that lives in the jungles of Venezuela is a master of camouflage. The color of the bird's feathers, the color of the bark of the tree it's in, are created the same. Let's look carefully. You can see on the screen the tree bark and the bird's feathers together. The tree is on the left and the bird is on the right. A perfect similarity. The only hint that could give the bird away is its bill and its eyes. But the bird knows how to use the design on its body and starts to play possum in moments of danger. It closes its bill and its eyes and becomes rigid. Now it looks just like part of a branch. Here is another remarkable design. Even when it closes its eyes, it can still see its special openings under its eyelids. When the danger is past, it relaxes and stops acting. Very well, but who taught this bird to act in this way? Again, face to face with the truth. It is the flawless and of God who created everything.